The best free tools for YouTube creators. Introduction. Welcome to our channel. If you're a YouTube creator in India or want to become one, you know that the right tools can make all the difference. In 2025, you don't need to spend a fortune to create, edit, optimize, and grow your channel. There are powerful free tools available that can help you at every stage, from scripting and editing to analytics and branding. Today, we'll break down the best free tools for YouTube creators, how to use them for business growth, and real examples of how they can save you time and money with all figures in INR. Stick around for strategies, actionable tips, and a detailed comparison chart. If you find this valuable, subscribe for more practical guides on digital success. Section 1. Why free tools matter for Indian creators. Low entry barriers. Free tools let anyone start a professional-looking channel without upfront costs. Scalability. Many free tools have paid upgrades, but their core features are robust enough for beginners and growing creators. Localization. Most top tools now support Indian languages, fonts, and formats, making them ideal for India's diverse creator base. Section 2. The essential free tool categories. Here's what every YouTuber needs, and the top free tools for each job. Need stage best free tools, 2025, key features. Scripting and ideas ChatGPT, Google Trends scriptwriting, topic research, keyword ideas. Video editing CapCut, VN, InShot mobile desktop editing, effects, no watermark. Thumbnails and branding Canva, Adobe Express templates, drag and drop design, free assets. SEO and optimization TubeBuddy, free. vidIQ, free. Keyword research, tags, analytics. Analytics YouTube Studio channel stats, performance, audience insights. Music and sound YouTube audio library royalty-free music and sound effects. Live streaming OBS Studio high quality, customizable live streams. Section 3. Detailed tool-by-tool breakdown. 1. ChatGPT, OpenAI. What it does: generates video ideas, scripts, titles, descriptions, and even hooks in Hindi, English, or any Indian language. How to use: ask for 50 video topics in your niche, get script outlines, or brainstorm catchy titles. Example: a creator used ChatGPT to write scripts for 20 shorts, saving over 8,000 rupees in freelance writing costs. 6. 2. CapCut. What it does: AI-powered video editing for shorts and long form with auto captions, transitions, and effects. Why it's great: free, no watermark, trending templates, direct YouTube export, works on mobile and desktop. Example: viral shorts made in CapCut helped a channel grow by 10,000 subscribers in 3 months. 3. VN Video Editor. What it does: pro-level editing for free with timeline controls, filters, and no watermark. Why it's great: advanced features rival paid apps, perfect for creators who want more control. Example: educational creators use VN to edit explainer videos, saving 5,000 rupees per month compared to paid software. 4. Canva. What it does: design thumbnails, channel banners, end screens, and social media posts. Why it's great: drag and drop, thousands of templates, Indian fonts, and a strong free plan. Example: a beauty channel used Canva to refresh thumbnails, boosting click-through rates and revenue by 30%. 5. TubeBuddy, free plan. What it does: SEO, keyword research, tag suggestions, and basic analytics. Why it's great: browser extension, easy to use, helps videos rank higher in search. Example: a tech channel used TubeBuddy to optimize tags and titles, doubling their views in 1 month. 6. YouTube Studio. What it does: upload, edit, schedule, and analyze your videos. See detailed stats on watch time, retention, and demographics. Why it's great: built-in, free, and essential for tracking growth and planning content. Example: creators use Studio to identify best posting times, boosting engagement by 20%. 7. OBS Studio. What it does? Free, open-source software for live streaming and screen recording. Why it's great? Customizable, supports overlays and multi-source streaming, perfect for gaming, tutorials, or webinars. Example, educators use OBS for live classes, saving 2,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees per month on paid streaming platforms. 8. YouTube Audio Library. What it does? Thousands of royalty-free music tracks and sound effects for any genre or mood. Why it's great? No copyright issues, free for all YouTube creators. Example, creators add professional soundtracks to videos at zero cost, enhancing production value. 9. Google Trends. What it does? Tracks trending topics, keywords, and seasonality for YouTube searches. Why it's great? Free, real-time data helps you pick topics that are rising in popularity. Example, a news channel used Google Trends to spot viral topics, increasing views and ad revenue. 10. InShot. What it does? Mobile video editing with filters, transitions, and easy export to YouTube. Why it's great? Fast, user-friendly, great for shorts and Instagram reels. Example, lifestyle vloggers use InShot for quick edits, saving time and money on desktop software. Section 4. Feature Comparison Table. Top 5 free tools. Tool platform watermark best for key features pricing. CapCut mobile desktop, no shorts, AI edits auto captions. Templates, effects free. VN editor mobile desktop, no pro editing, timeline advanced editing, no watermark free. Canva web mobile, no thumbnails, branding templates, Indian fonts, drag and drop free for $99 monthly. TubeBuddy browser, no SEO, analytics keyword research, tag suggestions free paid. YouTube Studio web mobile, no analytics, uploads, scheduling, stats, basic editing free. Section 5. Strategies for business growth using free tools. 1. Batch production. Use ChatGPT and Google Trends to plan 10 to 20 video ideas at once. Script and schedule content in advance for consistency. 2. Optimize for discoverability. Use TubeBuddy's free keyword tools to find high-ranking tags and topics. Design thumbnails in Canva for higher click-through rates. 3. Rapid editing and uploads. Edit multiple shorts in CapCut or VN, then upload directly to YouTube. Use YouTube Studio to schedule videos for peak times. 4. Community engagement. Use YouTube Studio to monitor comments and respond quickly. Analyze audience retention to refine your content strategy. 5. Monetization prep. Use analytics to identify your top-performing videos. Prepare branding assets in Canva for sponsorships and collaborations. Section 6. Example, real growth story with free tools. Channel, Study Smart India, Education, Hindi. Started, January 2024 with a smartphone and free tools. Workflow, plan topics with ChatGPT, edited in CapCut, designed thumbnails in Canva, optimized with TubeBuddy, tracked analytics in YouTube Studio. Results, by January 2025. Subscribers, 1,10,000. Monthly views, 15 lakhs. AdSense revenue, 1,20,000 rupees per month. Sponsorships, 20,000 rupees to 60,000 rupees per month. Time saved, over 40 hours month by using free tools for scripting, editing, and design. Section 7. Additional free tools worth exploring. Google Keyword Planner, for deeper keyword research. Adobe Express, free alternative for quick graphic design. Lightcut, one-tap AI video creation for shorts. UCut, simple mobile editor for fast exports. OBS Studio, for live streaming and screen recording. YouTube Creators Academy, free courses and tips from YouTube itself. Section 8. Tips for maximizing free tools. Upgrade only when needed. Most creators can reach 10,000 plus subscribers using only free tools. Stay updated. Free tools add new features regularly. Read changelogs and tutorials. Combine tools. Use ChatGPT for ideas, CapCut for editing, Canva for thumbnails, and TubeBuddy for optimization. Leverage mobile. Many free editors are optimized for smartphones, perfect for creators on the go. Section 9. Common mistakes to avoid. Relying only on one tool, combine several for best results. Ignoring analytics, track what works and adapt. Not updating apps, missing new features or bug fixes. Overcomplicating workflow, keep it simple and scalable. Ending and call to action. You don't need a big budget to build a successful YouTube channel in 2025. With the best free tools like CapCut, VN, Canva, TubeBuddy, and YouTube Studio, you can script, edit, design, optimize, and analyze your videos like a pro, all without spending a rupee. Focus on creativity, consistency, and community, and let these tools handle the rest. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe now to our channel, like this video, and share your favorite free YouTube tools in the comments. Let's help each other grow, one video at a time. Stay tuned for more strategies, tutorials, and real-life success stories to help you thrive as a creator in India. Subscribe now. Your YouTube journey starts today.